This video guide will help you to get rid of the online scam and fake alerts that are related to the website regnation.ru. regnation.ru. This website may display a lot of misleading messages that try to encourage people into downloading and installing some unwanted browser extension. This is the quotation from what this pop-up indicates. It says, "Attention, we highly recommend cleaning up errors and increasing the speed of your computer. For this, install the extension." However, in reality, this particular extension may hijack a lot of crucial browser settings, and it may also function as a typical adware that may display ads not related to the sites that you visit. Unfortunately, some people have installed this extension by mistake, and as a result, the browser acts in a very unusual manner. Various ads are popping up. People may be sometimes brought to some other deceptive websites, and because of that, the computer may be even infected. So please be very careful. Do not trust those fake alerts and fake browser update messages. In case any third-party extensions were mistakenly installed into your browser, you should get rid of them by going to the menu, More Tools, then Extensions. If you find any third-party extensions here which are not familiar to you, you may disable and remove them completely. To make sure that your computer is free of other hidden threats, I would strongly advise scanning with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which will help you to detect and eliminate other infections. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download it using this green button. Install the program and start carefully researching your computer in order to identify and eliminate other threats from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.